Did you run through flames at the doorway?
Yes, that was my only exit, and my only exit was in flames. The walls was on fire, the ceiling's on fire.
You must have been absolutely petrified in that moment.
Absolutely petrified, absolutely. It was fright of fright now. Do you know what I mean? Like, there's no questions asked. We need to be saving our kids.
A young family has been left homeless after their Dublin flat was destroyed in a mistaken identity arson attack over the weekend. Jordan Wade and his partner Katie Chalk fled their apartment with their 4 children at 2 o'clock in the morning.
I woke to the fire alarm going off. I opened my bedroom door, and I live in a 1-bed flat. My whole door was on fire, starting to come through the walls, the ceiling. That's my only escape out the house. I went back into the room and shouted to my partner, the house is on fire. Like, he ran straight out to the front door, got the front door open. That's our only point of exit. By that time, I had 2 of the babies in my hands, ready to go. One of them's non-verbal autistic as well. As a mother, it's like, what 2 kids do I grab? Like, how can I choose between my 4 children? What 2 I carry out and take out first? He then picked up another one. I ran out the front door. By the time he then got to the front door, I said, my 7-year-old, my oldest daughter, she'd froze in the bedroom. He had to go back through the fire to get me out, the daughter, to carry her out. Him and 2 of me children have burns, 3rd-degree burns. Everything's destroyed, everything's ruined. There's smoke damage, water damage. Like, all we have was the clothes on our back. In emergency accommodation, we don't know where we're going tonight. We don't know how long we're going to be in accommodation for. I left the house with not even nappies, not even a bottle for me children, and 3 of them still nappies and bottles. None of us are coping well, but you know what I mean? Even it's harder even on the children, the 2 with disabilities even, like their comfort, they like their safe zone. And then even down to my 7-year-old, she's old enough and she knows what's going on. She's shook to the core. She's not even eating. She doesn't want to go to sleep. The situation is just horrendous. I don't have words to put into how I even feel. It's not even sunk in yet. We haven't even ate a meal or slept properly between the 2 of us, me and my partner. We literally, our lives have gone upside down over the click of a finger.